So I just discovered that I've had all these Mbira for over 10 years, 20 years. This one was made by 2matching, this one. Gandanga tuning, kind of a higher pitch. And I just discovered that this one, which I think I got this on eBay a few years ago, I can't remember. I just discovered, to my surprise, that the keys are a little out of tune, but these match. I'm sort of in shock, I didn't know. And then also, these two match. This was made by Samuel Mujudu. And I acquired this in 1994 when a friend of mine went to Zimbabwe and she brought a bunch back. And she saved this one for me. And this is a Dambatsoko. This one, there was a time when someone on eBay was selling little mini Mbiras and I bought them. That matches this guy. This is just a octave lower. So that's all I got. I have some other instruments, but these are the ones that are matching. So two people can play and learn and teach on these two together or on those two. Gandanga. So I just wanted to show that because this one, I'm still kind of stunned because when I got this, it was not in very good shape. And recently I pulled it out and tuned it and been trying to play it. It has, you know, quality-wise, it's not quite as nice. This one, I was one of the, this is the first Gandanga one I acquired back in 1993 and 4 in miraculous fashion. This one, I wasn't supposed to have it. Or somebody told me that Gandanga and Mbira could only be acquired and played by advanced players. And there was one person who had access to some, I won't say who, and she said, no, you can't have one until you come and get lessons with me. And anyway, long story short, surprise, this came in the mail from someone I didn't even know who heard I was looking for that tuning because I loved it. And I didn't even know what I was going to get in the mail. There was no internet or anything. You know, through the grapevine, somebody wasn't playing this. This was sitting on their fireplace, and they said, "Yes, sell it to her." And so they $100. They sold this to me, and then I was told later on this was made by 2matching, who I've never met. And there, and I had my first Gandanga Mbira, and it's a little bit higher tuned. I have another one made by Gift Wishambo, and it's a little bit lower pitch, I guess you call it. So anyhow, so I've been playing that since the 90s, and then I discovered today that this one, it needs a little tweaking, but it's actually the same, so I'm all happy. So I thought I would make a video, and if anybody is passing through southern Arizona and they want to play, they don't have an instrument, but they want to learn or play together on these, that is for two people and two people. Alrighty.